guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about this wig. Like, can you even tell it's a wig? You sure that's not my hair? Maybe. I got a U-part wig from Ali-earl. I've never done a U-part wig before. It's my first time. And what inspired it was like I saw this girl with clip-ins on and I ordered clip-ins, but it didn't really give me what I wanted. So I was like, let's try U-part wig, and they had the textured version. So I'm really trying to get into using textured hair. So this was perfect. Look how good this looks. Yeah, anyway, so let's get into this video. And I know I'm about to look crazy right now, but have fun. So I know we're looking a little hot right now, but we will get there. It's a whole process. So this is the hair. It is a U-part. It's 20 inches. I got it in the color 1B because I recently dyed my hair 1B. So this is what it looks like. When I tell you guys this hair is full, and I think I got it in the 180 density hair. So this is pretty good. I thought about getting the clip-ins. That's how I ended up here, but I didn't want to have to deal with the clip-ins necessarily, so I figured I'd get a bit more for my buck this way. So let's do this. I did already part my hair because I had wigs on, and I had it like this because I wanted to do the clip-ins. Like I said, that's how I started. So I have like the middle section sectioned out already. I do have some pieces in the side. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that or not. So for the hair, this is how it looks on the inside, and then they have like the little elastic thingy connecting it, which I will be cutting, because you do not cut it until you're ready to commit to this hair, because then you can't return it. So let me just show you guys what it looks like before I actually cut it. So this is, and excuse me, I do have a mirror right here that I'm looking at. So this is how I'm going to personally have it. And then I want this as close as possible. It's my little leave out pieces. I do like a deep part, so that's why my braided is braided so far back. I mean, my hair is braided so far back, but yeah. I wish I had clips on the side right here instead of combs to just be a bit more secure. So I might end up adding them later on, because there's no clips like over here. So I will be adding it so it can just stay right here. How full this is, guys. Come on. So now I'm just going to take out my braids. I'm gonna do these ones first. And I might actually just sew this down and call it a day. But let me see first. Wow, that blend is so seamless. Come on. What? I don't even need to straighten this, because I was gonna straighten it, but I think I might just go for this textured look today. Oh wow, this is so nice. This is beautiful. This hair, I wish somebody would try to tell me this is not my hair. I wish. Baby, this is crazy. Obviously, like, I feel like for this to look more realistic, I would have to leave a little bit more hair out, but I don't even want to do that. This looks good enough. So you guys, this is how long it is. And I really was gonna straighten it, but now I don't even know. It is now time for the big reveal. So I put it down, as you guys saw. I ended up going off camera and just playing around with it a little bit, and I actually sewed it down. So let me show you. I straightened it, that's why it's in here like this. So here is the final look, and it's just giving flawless. So I did end up sewing it down over here because the clip just wasn't enough for me. So now it's straightened, secured, and it blends in so good. My hair is still a little bit darker than the wig, but it's okay. It still blends in well. So this is the final look. Let me just put it back a little. As you can see, how pretty is it? And it blends so well. And I only straightened it a little bit. I didn't want it like bone straight or anything. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am in love with this hair and definitely will be keeping it. So there's that. Let me know what you think in the comment box below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.